shows the projection. 3 feet traveled in less than 2 seconds. Within 12 seconds,
That's at 6 feet.
and in 41 seconds,
There we go, 9 feet. And that was a cough, would you say?
There was a heavy cough.
in some tests, we saw the cough travel up to 12 feet.
Okay, this is a slight cough.
The scientists say naturally, a lighter cough doesn't travel as far. In every simulation, we observed what the naked eye cannot see.
Wait.
I'm standing at the 6-foot mark. We have a heavy cough. Smoke comes, lights out, and there you can see it coming towards me. And boom, within seconds, it's already reached me, and now it's going past me.
Gets your attention, and hopefully that will stay with you as it did me and safely guide you through this distant life we are living while wearing masks when we're outside the house for good reason.